The power of change. Integrating the best technology with a perfect design. Proudly present KOBELCO Excavator ACERA GEOSPEC Series Super X SK130. Developed with the most advanced technology. Offering superlative solution for today's construction industry requirements. An excavator with hydraulic system to maximize capacity and minimize waste. Completed with power generator, giving high productivity while saving fuel consumption. Hydraulic circuitry prevents pressure loss with maximum digging force. Meeting the latest exhaust emission standards with eco-friendly performance. KOBELCO Excavator ACERA GEOSPEC Series Super X SK130 applies efficient performance system. This excavator's engine has 13-ton capacity with bigger fuel tank. Save 10% of fuel consumption, increase performance capacity with similar fuel consumption. The next generation of the 3i series using common rail fuel injection engine, completed with computing technology of electronic engine control. All component of KOBELCO Excavator ACERA GEOSPEC Series Super X SK130 is designed with mighty power. KOBELCO Excavator ACERA GEOSPEC Series Super X SK130. Machine durability up to 10 years. Eco-friendly with futuristic design. Meeting all emission standard as well as electromagnetic compatibility standard to prevent any electromagnetic disruption. Easy maintenance to increase efficiency. Cabin design and engine placement designed to ease monitoring and maintenance. Also completed with super fine filter, as well as monitor display with 16 language option. KOBELCO Excavator ACERA GEOSPEC Series Super X SK130 is truly designed to prioritize power and comfort. Large and more spacious cabin size with best visibility. Completed with reduced vibration system as well as comfortable workspace facility which prioritize comfort. This excavator performance control is eased by a remote monitoring system to control operation status. A revolutionary step which integrates all of the best technology. KOBELCO results above average excavators. Durable, comfortable, and eco-friendly. KOBELCO Excavator ACERA GEOSPEC Series Super X SK130.